Crop variety improvement. Crop variety that can give a good yield is selected from varieties or strains of crops by breeding for various useful characteristics such as disease resistance, response to fertilizers, product quality, and high yields. First method of incorporating desirable characters into crop varieties is known by hybridization. Hybridization refers to crossing between genetically dissimilar plants. Hybridization may be intervarietal between different varieties, interspecific between two different species of the same genus, or intergeneric between different genera. Second method of improving the crop is by introducing a gene that would provide the desired characteristic. Introduction results in genetically modified crops. Cultivation practices and crop yield depend on weather, soil quality, and availability of water. Since weather conditions such as drought and flood situations are unpredictable, varieties that can be grown in diverse climatic conditions and tolerant to high soil salinity have been developed are useful.